Why does YouTube TV not have all episodes? YouTube TV may not have all episodes of certain shows due to content licensing agreements, network availability, and service restrictions. Here are the main reasons why some episodes might be missing. Number 1, content licensing agreements. Limited streaming rights. Networks may only grant streaming rights for select episodes or seasons. Expiration of rights. Episodes may expire if the licensing contract ends or content is removed by the provider. Number 2, network availability. Broadcast delays. Some episodes may be delayed due to regional broadcast schedules. Local channel restrictions. Availability can vary based on your home area and current location settings. Number 3, DVR settings and restrictions. Recording settings. If your DVR didn't record an episode, it won't appear in your library. Ad-supported playback. Some episodes may only be available through on-demand services, which might require ad viewing. Number 4, on-demand content limitations. Limited on-demand catalog. Networks may offer only the latest episodes or a few recent seasons. Catch-up windows. Some shows have a catch-up window where only recent episodes are available for a limited time. Number 5, platform or device issues. App or device bugs. Missing episodes could be due to a temporary app or device glitch. Restarting the app or device may help. Software updates. Ensure your YouTube TV app is up to date for optimal performance. How to fix missing episodes. Check network libraries. Search for the show directly in the YouTube TV search bar. Manage DVR settings. Adjust DVR preferences to record new episodes or all episodes. Update home area. Ensure your home area is correctly set in YouTube TV settings for local content access.